stories that could relate some type of a UFO encounter.
The Russian cosmonauts have quite a few stories, and a famous one happened in 1984 when three cosmonauts were on the Salyut 7 space station.
Orbiting 172 miles above the Earth, the Salyut 7 was Russia's scientific research space station. On July 12, 1984, cosmonauts Oleg Gatkov, Leonid Kazin, and Vladimir Solovyov were on board the spacecraft when they witnessed an extraordinary event.
During the Salyut 7 mission, Soviet cosmonauts had a bizarre encounter. The spacecraft was surrounded by a strange glow, and all of a sudden they saw immense figures outside in space.
Three cosmonauts saw something at one of the windows that looked like, they described it as like an orange glow that looked like human faces, but they were huge, like the size of a jet plane, and they couldn't explain what it was.
What makes this event even more compelling to researchers is that the cosmonauts not only described the same bizarre vision, but they also reported being overcome with a strange feeling.
The Salyut 7 encounter, the cosmonauts felt a sort of sense of well-being. And that's interesting because it's counterintuitive. You would think that in that difficult and dangerous environment of space, when something unusual happens, the natural instinct would be to panic. And yet quite the opposite seems to have happened.
I was on a Russian space station for 5 months, myself, 2 Russian cosmonauts, spoke Russian the whole time. And, they'll tell you stories about old Salyut 7, where they had a couple cosmonauts that said they felt sort of the presence of angels.